Have you ever wondered if you could make NFT for free without cashing out anything? Well, you have come to the right video. Hey everyone, Clever Money here, and on this channel, we cover all things money and talk about different ways on how you can wisely monetize your time online. Almost every day, new content will be added. So today, we will be talking about how to make free NFT without spending anything and with zero gas fee. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video because this is a complete tutorial, a step-by-step process to get you started easily. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Mintable is a free service that allows you to mint NFTs. You get 50 NFTs that you can mint for free. After that, you need to start paying for gas. So for now, it is completely free. Before we create an account, let us talk about what is Mintable and what it does. Mintable is an Ethereum-based platform that allows users to create, distribute, buy, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens to generate, distribute, buy, sell, and trade digital files on the blockchain. Smart contracts can be used on the Ethereum blockchain by developers. Smart contracts are self-contained programs with open source code that allows users to carry out a certain action. Mintable is a set of smart contracts that work together to allow regular people to manufacture digital objects on the blockchain without needing to know how to code or program. You can quickly convert your digital content, file types such as JPEGs, PNGs, MP4s, PDFs, and so on into digital things or NFTs that live on the blockchain using Mintable. Images, audio tracks, films, novels or books, and more complicated digital files from programs such as AutoCAD and Blender are all examples. Simply fill in the blanks to describe your goods, then use the Ethereum blockchain to distribute them to people. Mintable allows you to browse its marketplace to make bids and purchases on digital things while buying them. These things are stored on the blockchain and are automatically put into your wallet when you make a purchase. The Ethereum blockchain keeps track of all transactions, providing irrefutable proof that you are the rightful owner while also compensating the seller. All of the products have a simple visual depiction to help you recognize them in your wallet. Private data or digital content will be contained in some digital products that can only be accessible by the owner. A mint token is added to both the seller's and buyer's wallets when they make a purchase. This is a collectible token that grants Mintable DAO users voting power. Mintable allows content creators to monetize their digital brands without having to invest in cryptocurrency. Mintable allows you to sell digital files as NFTs if you are an artist, musician, cyberpunk, or work for a company. The only limit to how you can sell these digital things to your social media followers, clients, or partners is your ingenuity when it comes to incorporating NFTs into your workflow. A musician, for example, can produce unique album covers that differ from the standard art cover of a widely distributed release. And because they are stored on the blockchain, anyone can authenticate their source of origin and original quantity. Let us go over the entire procedure now of creating an account. So I am going to make an account, and this is generally where you want to start when it comes to Mintable. After making your account, I need you to confirm it once you have signed up. To do so, go to your email on your phone or wherever your email is linked to. The next step is to look for centralized wallets that you can install in your browser. So you will need a wallet, which I picked to be MetaMask. So you just search MetaMask into Google and go to the first MetaMask download and install page for your browser. And once you have installed it, you can open it up like this. Enter in a password, and that'll be your MetaMask account. So you have created an account and your MetaMask balance is $0. But that doesn't matter. So now log into your Mintable account that you just made. And to link your wallet, once you have opened the MetaMask and logged into your account, search for the link button and click it. Just simply press the link button and your wallet will be linked to the website. So you'll have to do this every time you visit an NFT website of your choice, so make a mental note of your MetaMask password. Okay, so we made an account and a wallet, and everything else went smoothly. So now I am going to click this button right here that says Mint, and you have the option of choosing this NFT is currently in my wallet or create a new item. Since we don't have any NFTs when we first start out, I am going to choose create a new item. After that, I am going to make a new item for free. And I am going to mint the logo for this YouTube channel. This may change in the future, but for now, it is this. So I would like it to be tokenized and I'd like it to be an NFT. I am not looking to sell it, but all I am looking for is evidence of authenticity. So I have uploaded the file right here where it says upload my private file. So this will be the buyer's preview file. So therefore, you will not have to show the final file for the preview. So for example, if I chose this as my preview file, folks will be able to unlock the logo once they purchase it. So basically, you can put an image here and then make a GIF or a video unlocked, which is always fantastic. Or you can simply put the preview of the logo here. It doesn't really matter if someone downloads it, you still have the legitimate proof of authenticity. So anyone may download as many times as they want, but they will never be able to sell it because it is yours. So there is no need to be concerned about that. So now I am going to write a brief description. Transfer copyrights been purchased. No, because I am not planning on selling it. I am going to set a price of, say, $200 for it. So I'm very sure no one will buy it. Yeah, that looks nice, but don't forget to fill in the category, title, and subtitle before leaving this page. I am going to use this logo on collectibles because it is a collectible. I almost always choose collectibles. You can choose art on occasion, but collectibles is usually the greatest option. Clever Money 1/1 is my choice for the listing title. Then you add a subtitle, and that's basically it. Everything is now fine and good to go. Now, when you have filled out everything and clicked list this item, click proceed. My wallet appears, I click sign, and voila, my item is now live. So now I can go to my store and see my NFT there. So just as promised, we made an NFT for free without any gas. So thank you for watching today's video, and I really hope you learned something from it. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel before you leave. That is all for today, and see you next time.